Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about things that I have learned after making over 1,500 videos for YouTube. I got my started on YouTube a long time ago, and that's a place where I'd put home videos and things like that. And so this is my original channel right here, the Matt Taylor. It used to be just called Matt Taylor, and then I changed it to Variety, and I just have all kinds of different videos on here. If we go to the oldest videos here, stuff from several years ago, 15 years ago, 14 years ago, 13 years ago, like this Princess Bride Battle of the Wits scene recreation, me boxing at 10 years old. And so I just kind of started as that. It's just a fun little hobby. And then I started my YouTube channel for my cooking channel. And here is my cooking channel. And I started that in 2013. And so I have several videos here on my cooking channel, over 1,200 videos I've done. On my variety channel, 282 videos. On my new travel channel, 91 videos. And so I'm just going to share with you things that I've learned along the way over many years of being on YouTube, and things that you can expect to go through as you do your YouTube journey. And who knows, you probably experienced some of these things already if you have been doing YouTube for a while. And first of all, number one, YouTube can be very tough. It can be really hard to get views, and especially if you're trying to turn it into a business. I was helping a friend one time, and she just wanted to do YouTube just so she could earn money. And she's like, I need to earn money like really quickly within 3 or 4 months. And I told her, it's not with YouTube. That's not going to happen. Now, there are a lot of exceptions to the rule. There's those people that go viral. They start a YouTube channel, and then 2 or 3 videos later, they're going viral. And next thing you know, they're having several 100,000 subscribers and millions of views on their videos. But for everyone that happens like that, there's thousands and thousands where it doesn't happen like that. So most likely you and me are going to be those that are kind of the general rule of things. Like for my cooking channel, I started it in 2013, and I didn't start making enough on that channel to pay my bills every month until 2019, like November of 2019, and I had around 100,000 subscribers at that point. Now, it'll be different with everyone. Every channel is different, and every topic is different. Every niche is different. So I'm not going to get into the weeds with the details of subscribers and views and how you make money, just because that's a different video. But it took me a long time. And there was times, kind of in the 2018 timeframe, where my video production business was extremely slow, and I was living off savings and just trying to build up YouTube, trying to build up my cooking channel into a career. And it was very slow going, and it got really kind of frustrating, especially because I was making all kinds of videos, and I thought that it would just take off. And so you just have to be patient. You have to be patient on YouTube. If your goal is just to make videos and have fun, and that is probably the best thought to have, and hopefully the money will come later, and it will if you are patient. Some videos take off sooner or later. Some videos, I've had videos that were like a year old, and then all of a sudden they hit the algorithm and they start getting tons of views. So you never know what video you make will do well for you. That's what's cool about YouTube, is it's evergreen content. I have videos from 7 years ago that are like my highest earning videos on my cooking channel, like my crepes video. It's like 7 years old, and it has over 5 million views, and it still does really well for me. So the fact that there's a low barrier to entry to YouTube just means there's tons and tons of people on YouTube making content. And so you have to compete with all these other people. You have to compete for people's time to watch your videos. And so you need to make as good as videos as possible and make them as entertaining as possible so people will want to watch them. But it'll take you a while to get there. It could take you 100 videos before you make some that people really like. And then you can take that video that people really like and just replicate it with different topics, of course, but like the same style and whatnot. And that's stuff I'm still learning. Here on my travel channel, 91 videos later, and the channel's still not monetized, and the content's really good. The videos are really good. They're just not being as viewed as much. I look at the analytics and it's slowly growing. It is growing. So I just need to be patient. And I'm just going back to that, the channels that hit it really big. Like I said, for every viral channel that takes off really quickly, most channels don't. And the reason why people fail in YouTube is because they give up too early. And for some channels, too early is 100 videos. It's still too early to give up. For other channels, it could be just 20 videos before it starts taking off. So that would be my advice if you're struggling, is don't give up, be patient, and keep going. Don't be afraid to try new things. If one style is not working, try a different style of video. And keep trying different styles of video. Find styles of video that you like from other creators and kind of emulate that style. Don't copy them, but emulate that style and make it your own and see if that works. See if that video pops for you. Be consistent. So when I was doing my cooking channel, I wasn't very consistent at the beginning. It wasn't until about 2015 or 2016 that I was committed to doing at least one video a week. And for me, that was kind of tough because I still had my video production business that I was doing. And so I was kind of really busy with that. And so I really didn't have time to make a lot of videos. And then it just dawned on me, once I started making money on my YouTube channel, it dawned on me, hey, I could turn this into a career. So I just started working harder. Even though I was working video production, I still would on the side, on the weekends and stuff, make my videos for my cooking channel. And then eventually it just started to take off. So definitely be consistent. And consistency will depend. If you're just starting off, I would say just try to commit to one video a week. And then if you can do more than that, great. Also, it depends on the style of video. If you're doing this really cool music video that's a huge production that takes you forever to film and to create, then maybe you only do one or two a month. It just depends. There's just big creators out there that they only have to do one video a month and they're set. One of the big things is don't compare yourself and your channel with others. That is just the key to depression right there. I think it was Teddy Roosevelt, one of the Roosevelts, I think it was Teddy Roosevelt that said, comparison is the thief of joy. And it definitely is. If you start comparing yourself to other channels, you're like, how come their videos are getting views and mine is not? Then you just go down a rabbit hole of depression and you'll not want to make any videos. So don't fall into that trap. You are your own person. You are unique. Your content is unique, and just roll with it. Again, be patient, keep going. Those are just some things that I've learned. It can be a grind, and you just have to grind it out sometimes. And as long as you love making videos and you love the topic that you've picked, then I think the success will come. It just may take longer than you might hope, and it might take longer than other channels, and that's totally okay. Again, the key is that you love what you're doing. You're passionate about the videos that you're making and about the process. Also, don't be afraid to learn new things. I'm constantly learning about new techniques, constantly learning about new graphic styles, new thumbnails, constantly learning about editing. I have the luxury of doing film school and having video production as my background. I did that long before YouTube. And so I had that luxury. If you're just starting out to video editing and video graphics, then maybe take some classes. Maybe watch a lot of YouTube videos on how to be a good filmmaker, or how to compose your shots, how to make good thumbnails, things like that. How to edit the sound, how to add music, things like that can up the production value of your videos. As long as you love it and it's really fun to you, then it doesn't really matter about the successful part, because that will come. And I still have that going with me as well. Like my travel channel, I'm like, man, these videos are really good. How come people aren't watching them? But they are. It's just slow growth. So there you go. I hope that has helped you a little bit. That has been my journey. That has been my kind of what I've seen in my life with nearly, I don't know, like regularly being on YouTube since 2014, 2015, but also starting over 15 years ago on YouTube. So those are just things that I've learned, and hopefully this was helpful for you. Hopefully it gives you hope that you can grow and just hit it out of the park. I promise you, if you keep going, if you have passion, if you keep learning, if you be creative, and you just keep putting content out there, be consistent, I think the success will come. It's never been a better time to be on YouTube, and I just absolutely love it. YouTube is my passion. I'm so thankful that it is my career and I get to do it. And when I have new passions, I just start a new channel. That's why I started my travel channel, because I had a passion for traveling and I was doing it a bunch. And it's a really nice creative outlet for me, something different than my cooking channel and different than my videos that I post here on my variety channel. Well, there you go. Hopefully something that I talked about helped you out. Let me know in the comments how you're doing on your YouTube journey. And if you have any questions for me that I could answer for you. Take care. Until next time, happy video creating, happy YouTubing, everyone. Don't give up.